Johnny with the planting. Move the seeds to the pots. And try another one. Well done. A rose will grow here. Good job. A tomato will grow here. That's right. A cornflower will grow here. Look, there are sprouts. You need to water the sprouts to make them grow. Move the watering cans over the sprouts. And try another one. Well done. You've watered the rose. Very good. You've watered the tomato. That's right. You've watered the cornflower. Wow, look at the plants you've grown. Let's send the crops to the stores. Move the plant to its store. Very good. This is the tomato store. That's right. That's the cornflower store. Well done.